Morning traders, Nick Master from Market Dealers here to bring you a daily market bias video for Tuesday, October 20th. It's approximately 6:15 a.m. recorded at the 6 a.m. on the East Coast. If you were to take a look at the overnight session, Asia traded mixed, if you will, with half the exchanges higher, the other half trading lower. Currently, right now in Europe, and as current ongoing Europe is open trading, pretty much all of Europe is trading to the upside, with the exception of the German DAX, which is down somewhat at this particular time. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading lower. The bonds are trading lower. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all pointing to a higher open. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading lower, at least fractionally at this particular point. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the dockets today. Oops, excuse me. Oh well, I'm going to get it another way. Sorry about that, folks. Damn, we're having a lousy response time today. Sorry about that. Okay, we have building permits out at 8:30 a.m. Housing starts also out at 8:30 a.m. These are major. These are both proven market movers. And then we have some FOMC members speaking, one at 9 a.m., the other one at 11 a.m. All this being said, bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias, we think that a lot of what's going to happen today is really going to be pretty much predicated and depending upon fundamental news. That fundamental news happens to be whether or not there's some kind of stimulus that's agreed to in D.C. between the House of Representatives, the White House, and the Senate. We don't really see that happening right now, but of course that could change. I think right now everyone's anticipating that something will happen. Something positive will happen, the stimulus plan will be agreed upon, etc. But the fact of the matter is we don't know that. So our feeling is if there is a stimulus package passed, then yes, the markets will advance. If not, probably not. But be that as it may, as it stands right now, I mean, everything looks as though it's correlated to the upside. Why? U.S. dollar is lower. Bonds are lower. Gold is trading lower. This does bode well for an upside day. The indices themselves are pointing to a higher open. Pretty much most of Europe is trading to the upside as well. So if we were to just look at it from that perspective alone, we would say, well, you know, it's correlated to the upside. And truth be told, at this particular point, it is. However, a lot of what's going to happen today is going to be predicated upon fundamental news. That fundamental news is whether or not there's any kind of stimulus package that is agreed upon. And that's the great unknown. Hence our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Something to be mindful of trading. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.